All right, Paul Davenport from Boast AI here, and I got Elizabeth Dobkin from YEDI, York
Hello.
Entrepreneurial. Can you define YEDI for me real quick, Elizabeth?
York Entrepreneurship Development Institute. We're a Canadian charity and educational institution. We deliver educational programming for entrepreneurs from all over the world. As a Canadian charity, we offer our programs tuition-free for Canadians and permanent residents of Canada.
I love it, and they are a great partner in the ecosystem. We have done a lot of really cool stuff with your team.
Yes.
Again, we love that you're international too. It's not necessarily just limited to the CCPCs in the room or anything like that. You don't have to be in York to take advantage of YEDI, which is so cool. So we met last year at Collision Conference. It's a different vibe. You had a booth last year.
Yes.
We did not.
This time you have a booth.
Exactly. What's been the vibe now as an attendee and not somebody sitting at the booth?
It's honestly really refreshing to go and chat with people and kind of create those really organic relationships and partnerships with different companies instead of being the one that's behind the booth and everyone's trying to chat with you. I'm the one chatting with them, so it's really awesome. I really like this different perspective that I'm getting.
Absolutely, I can relate. It's nice too to be like, okay, I can go walk around, stretch my legs, not be beholden to the booth and everything that's happening
I think I did 10,000 steps already today.
Oh, I need to check my fitness tracker after this, but yeah. Elizabeth, can't